Yo, 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 my bros. This is Stardew Valley, one day, one year, where every day, every real life day, I play one day in Stardew Valley. This is day 25. I'm not entirely sure how today will be like. I don't remember what the what I think. I know it's not going to be rainy. I don't remember the fortune for today. So I always get to look at that before I leave. Alright, so it's a bad luck day. I am uh, using mods if there's any people that just started watching this. Um, I'm only using one mod though, UI Info Suite. So I guess today is going to be a fishing day because there's not much I can really do. Not much I can do here. Here, let me get that sprinkler recipe. Sprinkler recipe is an iron bar, one gold bar, and refined quartz. Okay, so I know I can make gold. Yeah, there's some gold. I'll make that sprinkler real quick. Refined quartz. Oh, oops. What am I doing? I'm not gonna do that right now, actually, but still. What am I doing? Okay. Put that back, put that back. Alright, now I'm just gonna grab my fishing rod and I don't know. Nice exotic. I might bring some forageables with me today. Actually, I'm gonna do some donating as well. I need to get some of that done. Take some geodes, diamond, exotic foraging. Alright. Here, I'll hold off on donating for now because I only have so much space I can take with me. I only have so much space, so. Is there anything else here that goes to museum? Oh, rusty spur. Okay. This chest. Yes, I know my chests are incredibly unorganized. I will get that sorted out eventually. Just Alright. I am going to leave, as I've said in an older video, I'm going to leave this dinosaur egg here until I... Oh, let me water my crops real quick. I'm going to leave the dinosaur egg there for now because... I'm spacing out, sorry. I'm gonna leave that dinosaur egg there because I'm just going to incubate it once I get an upgraded coop. And then when I incubate it, it'll give me some man, I am spacing out. I'm not really concentrating on what I'm doing. The dinosaur will give me a new dinosaur egg, and then I can donate that. Yeah, they just once they grow up, they just make dinosaur eggs for you. So it's like, might as well just keep it. Might as well just keep it until I have a dinosaur, and then the dinosaur will make a new dinosaur egg that I can donate. Because who knows how long it'll be until I get another dinosaur egg. Okay, there we go. Let me empty out my inventory real quick with all this stuff. I'm not donating this in any specific pattern. New reward, nice. Let me see what that is. I just want to... It's a starfruit seed. I'm going to keep that here for now because I want to keep as much inventory space as I can. And yes, I do have... Oh yeah, I should also head to Robin's today. That's also I think I should do. I want to build a barn. So once I'm done with this, I'll head to Robin's. Just look at how much gold I have. It's just sitting in my inventory. I don't think I've ever had 30 or 30,000 in spring. At least at one time. Nice thing about the Meadowland farm is it starts you off with a coop. Now after I get my barn, I'll probably make a silo, and then I'll upgrade my coop probably. I also need to make a pond eventually. I wish I could just shift click it and just have it find an automatic place to go. Because I really don't care. I guess if I'm already going up there, I might as well bring some stuff to the community center. Just head back to my farm. And then get some community center stuff done. I think I might have actually smelted all of my quartz down to refined quartz, so I don't have anything to bring to the community center bundle. I forgot that you do need quartz for one of the community center things, but it's fine because I also need fire quartz for it, which I do not have yet. Let me sell that. I don't need that. Alright, let's find community center stuff. So one of those. One of those. One of those. How much longer is my gold? 1 hour, dang. Oh yeah, I need my pretty sure it's 150 for a barn, and I think I need a little more wood, but that's fine. I can buy some there. Bat wings. No, I don't have enough of those. I need some solar essence as well. Red mushroom, cave carrot. I think that's everything I need to donate. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish a single bundle, but, you know, it's alright. Head up here. Oh no, actually I'll just go this way. Head up, get to the community center, and then I'll go up to Robin's, and then I'll go to the lake to keep fishing. I don't know what I just walked right past the community center. Wasn't paying attention, guys. So I think some of that goes here. Oh, wait, this is not the right... I don't think I have anything for this. I think I do have some large eggs in my chest, but that's alright. I'm just gonna keep clicking until I find one that I need. There we go. Now, I think everything else is at the boiler room. Oh, dang, okay, that's all I needed. For some reason, I thought you needed 3 of them for this. Nice, a small magnet ring. It's not like I need that. Probably just gonna throw that away, to be honest. Oops, I accidentally clicked out of it now. Bulletin board, nice. Geologist bundle, nice. Alright, so I'll need a gold bar for that. Yeah, I have 2 full-size magnet rings. I don't need a small magnet ring. I guess I'll just keep that on hand, and when I eventually need to end up throwing something away, I'll just throw that away. I guess I could buy a upgraded backpack now at this point, considering how much money I have, but let me make sure how much I need first. But I'm just gonna... Oh, I do have enough, okay. Let me move my coop over, because I think... What? I thought I broke... Okay, we'll see if this works. Of course, if my chicken's right there, I don't think I can do it when he's there. Yeah, I have to... Bro. Of course I did that. I could just put it here for now, but that would break so much grass. I'm not doing that. Alright, well, guess I'm going back. Literally throwing. Wish I at least had coffee with me so I could go quicker. Yeah, I'm not really worried about farming anything more, because yesterday was my cauliflower harvest, and... Oh, jeez, I don't even have my pickaxe on me. I guess I can donate that if I feel like it, but I'm not going to yet. In fact, I'll just go and make sprinkler now. Is this chicken ever gonna move, or is he just gonna stay here the entire time? Because he's going to need to move. Just gonna throw it here, bro. Watch him to get up there, and Robin's not gonna be sitting behind the counter anymore. It's not much of a fishing day today. It's just like a go around and do stuff today. Do stuff day. I guess errand day I can call it today. I can call the episode Errand Day. Oh, I still gotta move my coop. Still the chicken is still there. Am I about to trap this thing behind it? Thinking about it. It's a little close and compact, but you know what? That's nice. That's how we like it. I might extend the fence down a little, but I still have fish in here. I think I was told to move this chest. I don't know if that means people can go here. I guess I think he said next to this bush here. Like this, I think. Tell me if that's wrong if you're watching this episode. Oh, jeez. My bad. Guess I can take a chub down and donate it to the community center. Probably not going to fish all night because fishing is not necessarily my activity the activity that I consider to be too much fun. I really hope it rains soon because still have not gotten the rainfish for this season. I was thinking I might regret not fishing on that one day, and I think it's already turning out to be that I'm probably gonna regret it because it won't rain tomorrow. So hopefully it will rain 27th. The cool thing about when I was doing this last year is the days were actually synced up. So it was a Monday. January 1st was a Monday. So the days were actually synced up the entire time. So I knew that if it said Monday up here and Monday on my and I knew it was Monday in real life, then I knew I was on the right day. I'm just doing a little fishing for some money. That's all I was gonna get out of this. Oh, I'm not gonna get very much money from it. I'll probably only get a couple hundred. I guess it's been 20 days since I actually started this, because I didn't start it on time. I started it 5 days later. I never actually told anyone the motivation for doing it this year. I wasn't going to do it this year. I did this actually last year. If you look at every time I load my character in from the main screen, if you look and see the character Johnson, who's like he's got like I don't remember what he looks like exactly now, to be honest. I think he's also a bald character, but he doesn't have facial hair. But if you looking, you see that character. That's my character from last year's One Day, One Year. Needless to say, it didn't work out. I think I stopped in July. But yeah, anyways, there's that reason. That is like, I was like, I failed pretty badly. I mean, I made it halfway through the year, but once I missed like one day, it was so hard for me to go back. So I just stopped. But I did make it like 6 months without missing a single video. So I did actually do pretty decent, I guess. Oh, I don't even have bait. That's why it's been kind of slow. I don't really need any of those. I'm just gonna, well, here, I'll plant some rice shoots. Oh, wait, let me. I don't really want the pine cone. I'll take the Joja Cola. Probably be my last cast for the night. Well, actually, no. I'll use up the remainder of my bait, and then. Okay. I was expecting it to be a bigger fish. Here. Let me. Oh, is that a largemouth? Nope, it's a chub. Just had some very interesting AI that I thought was more of a largemouth AI. Hey, there you go. I got 14. So 6 of those. Just take all of that. I'll donate one of these regular chubs. I guess depending on how much time I have left when I get home, I'll just plant these rice shoots real quick. Oh, I need a frozen geode for that field research bundle. Huh. Forgot about that. I don't know why I'm bringing the sonar bobber home. Please. Huh. Wish I still had cauliflower to give her. I do have one, but that's for Jody. Because, yeah, Jody's request. Bring Jody a cauliflower. I have one for her, and that's it. Probably not going to be making tons of money on that. But, you know, that's alright. I'm pretty sure if you plant these next to a water source, you don't even need to water them. Huh. How far can I get from the water source and still count? Because I don't have very much to go off of. That counts still, dang. That does not. I think that's all I can grow right now. Does this only work in spring? Yeah, they're not even gonna grow. Whatever. I just sell them as is. 160, that's not bad. There you go. Oh, yeah, it's 140. I didn't realize how. Oh, wait 1 second. I didn't realize how late it was. All right, 28 minutes. This has got to be my longest recording. All right. So go to sleep. See how much money I made. Cause I sold my mayonnaise, but you know, whatever. It's not bad actually. Way more than I thought it'd be. Almost 2,000. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching Traveling Merchant to Town and the Feeling Lucky. So tomorrow, I'm almost certainly going to be mining. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.